Today, I'm going to show you the hidden secret menu on your Roku. You access it by pushing a set of button sequences on your remote. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I'm going to show you what's inside the menus, just so you can decide whether or not it's worth your time. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And look at my other video where I permanently disable these 4 bottom buttons. I'll link that in the show notes below. To access the secret screen, you push the home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You press fast forward once, down once, rewind once, down once, and fast forward again. And there you have it, the secret screen. You can't get to this other than using that key press sequence there. So proceed with caution. I have absolutely no idea if you can bork and ruin your Roku. So that's on you. Just be advised, when you're in these little menus on the side, there's a lot of stuff that you can do, and there's a good chance that you won't be able to recover your Roku. So just use care when poking around here. So on the upper left side, you can see temperature. That's kind of cool. There's an IP address there and a whole bunch of Wi-Fi signal strength information. That actually could be really useful to you. And then finally, the battery remote. So let's head over to those side buttons. I'm not going to go into this in detail. I'm just going to show you what options exist. So in the system menu, we have the system reboot, boot recovery mode, backdoor networking, sounds ominous. System suspend, a network menu. We'll take a peek in there real quick just to show you. Right, show static IP config. Okay, so that's actually not that useful. Every time you go out of the submenu, you have to start over at the beginning of the menus. Enable FPS display overlay. That sounds pretty cool, especially if you're a gamer. I'm assuming you have to be playing a video. And the audio menu, where you can play a WAV file from USB. So if you're trying to tune a sound system, you might be able to do that. I don't know exactly how you get that to work. You can also just play a 1 kilohertz tone. RF remote menu, over-the-air update, IR transmit. In the interest of a little bit of brevity here, get remote info. Okay, lots of stuff there. Miscellaneous settings menu, forget all remotes, reboot the remote. This is where you can kind of bork your system. Ping the remote, keep awake, set wake timer, set wake duration. So again, just be careful in these menus because I have a feeling you can wipe out your Roku. You might not be able to use your remote at all. It's like a battery usage. Huh. That is quite the display. That is a secret display. Okay, and then getting out of that, it stuck me right back here. So let's go ahead. Home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the home. Fast forward, down, rewind, down, fast forward. There we are. Okay, so don't go into the battery usage. It'll kick you right out. Alert via LEDs. Okay, yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's see what else is in here. The wireless secret screen. This would be actually very, very useful if you were trying to troubleshoot a Wi-Fi problem. You can see what channel you're hitting and then sort of the various noise ratios. You can move it around the room potentially and fix your wireless stuff. Let's just go back in there. IPv6 secret screen. Fast boot. Okay. Again, a lot of this stuff I feel like you could really bork yourself. And then finally the remote press, right? So you can see that as I press buttons on this remote, they do stuff, except for these 4 buttons here, which, as I mentioned before, I have a video showing you a hardware hack where you crack open your remote, put a piece of tape underneath the pads of these buttons, and they're disabled permanently. So make sure to go check out that video from me. All right, so to get out of this menu, it says press home and then star at the same time. That pops us back out. All right, so that is your Roku remote screen. Remember, you can bork your system here, so just be careful. And if you found this interesting and helpful, Like and subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. Other than that, have a fantastic day. Talk to you later.